In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashlane Autofill. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple passwords and usernames for different websites, you're certainly not alone. Dashlane makes managing these details a breeze by securely storing your login information and automatically filling it in for you. Let's dive into how you can use this handy feature to simplify your online experience. First, start by navigating to a website where you already have a saved login. This will kickstart the process, and you'll be able to see firsthand how Dashlane can manage your credentials. Once you're on the website, look for a field where you enter your username or password. As you click into one of these fields, you should notice a small dark green Dashlane D icon appear. This icon is your gateway to seamless logins. It signals that Dashlane is ready to assist by fetching your saved data. Next, what you want to do is select the Dashlane icon. By doing so, you'll see a list of your saved logins specific to that site. It's like having a digital Rolodex that organizes all your credentials so you're not wasting time salvaging through forgotten combinations or resetting accounts. Just a quick click lessens the hassle of remembering all those passwords. Once you see your list of saved logins, choosing the correct one becomes your next task. Clicking on the appropriate entry will prompt Dashlane to work its magic by automatically filling in both the username and password for you. Moreover, Dashlane often goes a step further and logs you into the site directly. So, with just a couple of clicks, you've accessed your account without the usual fuss. Now, let's consider an alternative approach. If it's your first time visiting a particular site and you don't have a saved login yet, you can always manually enter your username and password. After doing this, take a moment to save these credentials into Dashlane. It's as simple as selecting the Save option when prompted. This becomes immensely helpful the next time you visit, as Dashlane will remember this and provide you with the saved login to use, thus saving you time and effort. And there you have it. Using Dashlane Autofill is straightforward yet immensely powerful for anyone dealing with multiple logins. It's all about making your online life easier and more secure. Remember, managing passwords doesn't have to be a chore. Dashlane is here to help streamline the process and help you stay organized with ease. So go ahead and give it a try on your favorite websites and experience stress-free logging in like never before.